Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our second chapter, which is about physical growth and motor development of children. In this chapter, we will be studying about growth in height and weight, and we will also discuss about some special growth features. We will highlight the differences in rate of growth, and also we will be studying about motor development of a child and physical development over time. The title tells us that we will be studying about motor development. So what is motor development? Motor development means the physical growth and strengthening of child's bones, muscles, and ability to move and touch his or her surroundings. So this is called motor development. A child's motor development falls into two categories. One is fine motor and the second one is gross motor. We will study about the fine motor skills and gross motor skills in detail in our next lecture, but now we will just see some basic definitions. Fine motor skills refer to small movements in the hands, wrist, fingers, feet, toes, lips and tongue. On the other hand, gross motor skills involve motor development of muscles that enable babies to hold up their hands, sit, crawl, and eventually walk, run, jump, and skip. So look at growth and height and weight. Infancy can be considered a period of rapidly changing growth rate. The most obvious sign of physical growth are changes in overall body size, and by the end of the first year, a typical infant's height is 50% greater than at birth. So you can see that this is very rapid growth. By 2 years, it is about 75% greater. Birth weight typically doubles by age 5 months and triples by 1 year. So this is also a very rapid growth in weight. So because birth weight typically doubles by age of 5 months only and triples by 1 year and becomes 4 times as big by age 2. In the second year, growth velocity averages like 10 to 13 centimeter per year, and in the third year it's about 7.5 to 10 centimeter per year. Thereafter, from age 3 year to young age, growth is stable at 5 to 6 centimeter per year, although there may be a slowing to it as little as 2 centimeter per year. Girl babies are generally lighter than boy babies. Here is the table of comparison. You can see the difference between boys' weight and height and girls' weight and height. If you compare the birth 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 1 year, so boys' weight and height is better than girls' weight and height. By looking at that table, we can see that if children kept growing at this rate, by age 10 they would be very tall and gain so much weight. But fortunately, growth slows in early and mid-childhood. When children add about 2 to 3 inches in height and 5 pounds in weight per year. So what? Growth slows in early and middle childhood when children add about 2 to 3 inches in height and 5 pounds in weight each year. So it slows down. A 2-year-old's height is approximately half of what it will be when she reaches physical maturity. So a 2-year child is half of the full height. A remarkable rate of growth considering that the second half will be spread over a period of 10 to 12 years. So the second part of a height is gained in 10 to 12 years, which is very much slow. The physical changes between ages 2 and 6 are less dramatic than those that occur in infancy. So in infancy, there are rapid changes. The changes in height and weight happen far more slowly in the preschool years than in infancy. So it is slower than the infancy. Each year, the child adds about 2 to 3 inches in height and about 6 pounds in weight. Each year between ages 6 and 12, children grow 2 to 3 inches and add about 6 pounds. And in this period between ages 6 and 12, large muscles coordination continue to improve, and children perform more skillfully in activities requiring coordination. So, by age 12, girls have attained about 94% of their adult height, while boys have reached only 84% of theirs. This second chart is telling about every changes in various body constituents from birth to 17 years. So you can see here is the age, and here you can see the weight, height, fat and body weight, and fat, total body, protein, and total bone minerals. So you can see the difference in different ages. So this table is very clear and self-explanatory, and you can see the difference in different ages. Another fact is that boys are on the average taller than girls up to the 11th year. From the 12th to the 15 years, girls are generally taller than boys. So this is a time when girls are taller than boys. And at the age of 15 plus, boys and girls are about the same height. And after that, boys are taller than girls and retain their superiority in height up to the 18th or 20th year. So overall, boys are taller than the girls. And we have talked about weight already, and this is just, another information that the baby shows an increase in weight by the end of the first month. The weight doubles the birth weight at the age of 4 months. It is 3 times the birth weight when the baby is about 1 year old. The weight increases from 3 to 5 pounds annually. From the second to third year, the increase in weight slows down from the third year until the young age. Another important point is the growth of the bones affects to a great extent the body shape or body proportions. It consists of growth in the size of the bones, increase in the number of bones, and changes in the texture of bones. The most rapid growth in size of bone is during early young age, adolescence age. The growth in bones is accompanied by muscular growth and disposition of fat under the skin. So these all are, interrelated with each other. This results in changes in the looks and the appearance of a person. And there are some special growth features, and some of them we have discussed in our previous lectures when we were studying about the characteristics of development, the characteristics of growth. And first of all, growth is not regular. I think you already know about this. It comes in waves or in cycles. Rapid growth is followed by a period of slow growth, and again rapid growth is resumed. So some periods can be called as rapid growth periods and some are slow growth. So growth is not equally distributed. Each organ and each part of the body follows its own laws of development. It follows the law of developmental direction. For the most parts, development occurs first in the upper part of the body and later in the lower parts of the body. And I think you remember we have studied these principles in our previous chapter. There are growth cycles within the year. For example, in cold countries, July to December is the season most favorable for increase in weight. The periods from May to early July registers the least growth. So this is an example of the countries which are cold, colder than the Asian countries, and all these factors are influencing. And growth is very rapid from birth to the age of 2.5 years, and its rate declines from 2.5 years to the future years. And we have discussed about it. And young age adolescence is immediately preceded by a period when an increase is registered in the rate of growth. So there is a gradual but continuous decrease in the rate of growth in following young age. For the first 2 years, the height increases rapidly. From the 3rd to 16 years, growth in height occurs at the slower rate. From the 7th to 10th year, the rate accelerates, but it slows down again between the 10th and 12th year. So this is the pattern. This pattern we have discussed in our previous slides. And there is a rapid growth spurts in girls from 10 to 14 years and from 12 to 16 years in boys. So these periods are different in boys and girls in terms of their growth and development. The mature height is attained by 18 to 20 years. So when you are 18 or 20 years, you gain your maximum height usually. So there are differences in rate of growth, and human growth is far from being a simple and uniform process, and we have already talked about it. And human growth is far from being a simple and uniform process of becoming taller or larger. As a child gets bigger, there are changes in shape and in tissues composition and distribution, and considering the fact that each child maintains a different rate of growth and development, some may develop in one aspect earlier and faster than others of the same age group. So this is an individual difference. Maybe one child is developing more in one direction and the second child is developing more in second direction. So it all depends on your individual differences. There may be others who are slower in their general rate of growth due to many factors. And in the previous chapter, we have discussed different factors influencing growth and development. And here we are talking about this, that there may be other children whose growth and development is slower in general due to many factors. The speed of physical growth in human is fast in the beginning, then it becomes slow. So this is general principle, this is general understanding, and we have discussed about this in our previous slides. There is no uniformity in the rate of growth, and most skills develop in the same order, but the age they happen might vary even for children in the same family. So maybe you are getting that skill you will get in a sequence, but it is not necessary that you will attain that developmental milestone in the same age. Maybe one child is getting that early and the second child is getting later, even in one family. Growth and development is different for every child. For example, the typical age range for children to start walking is 8 to 18 months. So this is a typical age. So if child is not walking at 14 months, so that's okay. So these are the difference, and these are the individual differences which we can see in the process of human growth and development. And this is nothing to worry about. These are individual differences, and we have talked about different factors influencing the process of growth and development, which is very obvious that if we are facing different factors, they are definitely affecting the speed and process of our development.